The animal kingdom is filled with an incredible variety of creatures, each with their unique characteristics and abilities. Some animals are known for their strength, speed, or agility, while others are known for their remarkable longevity. Today, we will explore the top 10 longest living animals of the world. 1. Greenland shark. The Greenland shark, Somniosus microcephalus, is a species of shark found in the cold, deep waters of the North Atlantic and Arctic Ocean. It is one of the largest species of shark, growing up to 7 meters, 23 feet, in length and weighing up to 1,000 kilograms, 2,200 oz. One of the most remarkable features of the Greenland shark is its longevity, with the oldest known individual estimated to have lived for up to 500 years. These sharks have a slow growth rate and reach sexual maturity only after several decades of life. They are also known for their unique feeding habits, which include scavenging on whale carcasses and hunting invertebrates and fish. The Greenland shark is considered a vulnerable species due to bycatch in commercial fisheries and is currently protected in some countries. 2. Ocean quahog. The ocean quahog, Arctica islandica, is a species of clam found in the North Atlantic Ocean, ranging from Canada to Iceland and Norway. It is known for its impressive longevity, with individuals known to have lived for up to 507 years, making it one of the longest-lived animals on Earth. These clams can grow up to 12 centimeters, 4.7 inches, in length and are typically found buried in sediment on the seafloor. They are a commercially harvested species, with a demand for their meat in some countries, but their slow growth and low reproductive rate make them vulnerable to overfishing. The age of an ocean quahog can be determined by counting the rings on its shell, much like counting the rings on a tree trunk. 3. Bowhead whale. The bowhead whale, Balena mysticeus, is a species of baleen whale found in Arctic and subarctic waters. It is one of the longest-lived mammals on Earth, with individuals known to have lived for up to 211 years. These whales can grow up to 18 meters, 59 feet, in length and weigh up to 100,000 kilograms, 220,000 oz. They are named for their distinctive arched upper jaw, which allows them to break through thick ice to breathe. Bowhead whales are social animals, typically living in groups of up to 12 individuals. They are also an important cultural and subsistence resource for indigenous peoples in the Arctic. Bowhead whales were extensively hunted for their blubber and oil, leading to significant population declines, but their numbers have since recovered following protection measures. 4. Rough-eye rockfish. The rough-eye rockfish, Sebae solutionis, is a species of deep-water fish found in the North Pacific Ocean, ranging from Japan to Alaska. It is one of the longest-lived fish species, with individuals known to have lived for up to 205 years. Rough-eye rockfish are named for their large red eyes, which are thought to help them see in low light conditions. They can grow up to 91 centimeters, 36 inches, in length and weigh up to 18 kilograms, 40 oz. Rough-eye rockfish are commercially harvested for their meat, but their slow growth and low reproductive rate make them vulnerable to overfishing. Conservation measures such as size and bag limits have been put in place to protect rough-eye rockfish populations. 5. Galapagos tortoise. The Galapagos tortoise, Chelonoidis nigra, is a species of giant tortoise found exclusively in the Galapagos Islands, located off the coast of Ecuador. It is one of the longest-lived vertebrates, with individuals known to have lived for up to 177 years. These tortoises can weigh up to 400 kilograms, 880 oz, and grow up to 1.8 meters, 5.9 feet, in length. Galapagos tortoises have a unique shell shape, which varies depending on the island they inhabit. They are herbivorous and play an important role in maintaining the ecosystem by dispersing seeds and grazing on vegetation. Galapagos tortoises were extensively hunted by humans and introduced predators such as rats and feral pigs, leading to significant population declines. Conservation efforts have since been put in place to protect this species, including captive breeding and habitat restoration. 6. Aldabra tortoise. The Aldabra tortoise, Aldabrachylis gigantea, is a species of giant tortoise found on the Aldabra atoll of the Seychelles. Like the Galapagos tortoise, it is one of the longest-lived vertebrates, with individuals known to have lived for up to 152 years. These tortoises can weigh up to 250 kilograms, 550 elves, and grow up to 1.2 meters, 4 feet, in length. Aldabra tortoises are herbivorous and play an important role in maintaining the ecosystem by dispersing seeds and grazing on vegetation. They are also an important cultural and economic resource for the local population. Aldabra tortoises were once hunted for their meat and shells, leading to significant population declines. However, conservation efforts such as habitat protection and captive breeding have helped stabilize their numbers. 7. Red sea urchin. The red sea urchin, Mesocentrodus franciscanus, is a species of sea urchin found along the eastern Pacific coast, from Alaska to Baja California. It is one of the longest-lived invertebrates, with individuals known to have lived for up to 200 years. Red sea urchins have a hard, spiny exoskeleton and can grow up to 20 centimeters, 8 inches, in diameter. They are herbivorous, feeding on kelp and other algae, and are an important food source for many predators, including sea otters and sea stars. Red sea urchins are also commercially harvested for their roe, which is considered a delicacy in some countries. However, overfishing has led to declines in populations, and management measures such as size limits and harvest quotas have been implemented to protect this species. 8. Black coral. Black coral, Antipatharia, is a group of deep-sea corals found in tropical and temperate waters around the world. Black corals are known for their striking black or dark brown coloration, which comes from the presence of a protein called melanin in their tissues. They can form large colonies up to 6 meters, 20 feet in height, and are typically found on rocky substrates or on the walls of underwater canyons. Black corals are slow-growing, with some colonies known to be over 4,000 years old. They are commercially harvested for use in jewelry and decorative objects, but overfishing and habitat destruction have led to significant population declines. Many countries have implemented regulations to protect black coral populations, including prohibitions on harvesting and limits on fishing gear in areas where they are found. 9. Koi fish. Koi fish, Satprinus carpio, are a domesticated variety of the common carp that are popular in ornamental pond and aquarium settings. Originating from Japan, koi fish are bred for their vibrant colors and patterns, which can include white, red, orange, yellow, and black. They can grow up to 75 centimeters, 30 inches, in length and have a lifespan of up to 30 years. Koi are omnivorous, feeding on both plants and small aquatic animals, such as insects and crustaceans. They are social animals and can be trained to eat from a person's hand. Koi fish are widely admired for their beauty and are considered symbols of good luck and prosperity in many cultures. They require proper care and maintenance to thrive, including a healthy diet, regular water changes, and adequate filtration. 10. Elephant. The elephant, Elephas maximus and Loxodonta africana, is a large land mammal found in Africa and Asia. It is the largest living terrestrial animal, with males weighing up to 12,000 alms, 5,400 kilograms, and standing up to 13 feet, 4 meters, tall. Elephants are social animals that live in herds and are known for their intelligence and emotional capacity. They communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations, gestures, and tactile cues. Elephants are herbivorous and play an important role in maintaining their ecosystems by shaping the landscape and dispersing seeds. They are also an important cultural and religious symbol in many cultures. Elephants face numerous threats, including habitat loss, poaching for their ivory tusks, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts, such as habitat protection and anti-poaching measures, are crucial to ensuring the survival of these magnificent animals.